had a really good talk on some trend line stuff. Keep a lookout for that one. We looked at alt market cap. We talked about, when we could possibly capitulate, and also including altcoins in that if we do capitulate. A little bit on XRP and the SEC, which apparently isn't over yet. So right now, looks like yesterday we talked about this potential for an inverted head and shoulders, and what we're doing right now, could be constituted some pretty good action for that. And a 15-minute time frame looks like a nice reversal here, although we are on lower volume. We'll see where that leads to. And get my chart back to normal. There we go. So the previous 2-hour bar closed with a pretty good selling candle on it. We did break a trend line that was up here that we had drawn yesterday. And so that thing broke, and now we're clearly in a different trend. But the thing about it right now is that we broke. We need to see how we handle the break to the downside. So far, it's okay. Volume aggregation tool does show some selling pressure stepping in. If that stays low, we could go sideways through this for a little while. I did add an alert to Bitcoin at 20,929 on another trend line break. If that happens, then we'll probably move up to this trend line, then maybe subsequently up to that trend line as we kind of maybe try to work our way out of here. The question is 17K a bottom? It's possible. It's not definitive, though. An inverted head and shoulders, which we may be in the middle of forming, doesn't fully indicate a major bottom for Bitcoin, but if it is, then that is your neckline for an entry, and your stop loss would be wherever this right shoulder ends up. So we'll see more tomorrow about how this ends up, but bigger volume today. We're going to have bigger volume today than we did yesterday when we're trying to break down, and I think the close is going to be pretty important in terms of where we end up. With the altcoins, we've seen quite a bit of topping action, actually, across, I don't want to say across the board, but some coins were going up dramatically. DOT, if I remember right. No. Aave with a pretty big volume candle at the top. I think maybe it was Waves that had the other one. Yeah, Waves with another very high volume candle at the top. There's several of those out there on coins that have had some pretty big runs. So we are showing signs of exhaustion up here, and we just have to see how we handle that exhaustion. Do we go sideways through it, or do we start to fall apart? So we're falling apart a little bit. It's not too dramatic yet. The question is it going to fall apart further? I think there's better signals to come. We are reducing in volatility, so we have to wait for volatility to step back in. Until then, we're back into some choppy environments. Better signals to come. All right, everyone, have a great day. Stay safe out there. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.